To manage your organization's users within Vulgate, first navigate to the Settings section using the left-hand sidebar. Once in Settings, select the Org Settings tab located near the top of the page. On the Organization Settings page, scroll down to the Invite Members section. Here, you can add new members by entering their email address and assigning them a role. You can choose between two roles, user or admin. A user can access the main application features, such as Chat with Library and Inventory Search. An admin has all the permissions of a user, plus the ability to upload and manage documents within the system. After entering the email and selecting the role, click the Invite button. Further down the page, under the Members section, you can view and manage existing organization members. The Members tab displays a list of everyone currently in your organization. The Pending Invitations tab shows any invitations that have been sent but not yet accepted. From here, you can also choose to delete a pending invitation if it's no longer required.